Hey, this is another tip that Jonathan shared with me for Copilot in Edge. I can ask Copilot to do something that might be very valuable for the people who are still using Google Chrome because they're used to it. And one of the blocker can be to switch to Edge can be uh, that the fact that you need to have your password, your bookmarks, everything in Edge. And how can you ask Copilot to help you with that? So I'm gonna ask, can you, oops, I'm not here. Can you help me import my bookmarks from Google Chrome? And I'm not saying that everybody's going to switch to Edge, but if you have this blocker, you can at least have both. So here it tells me how to do it. I was expecting a little bit more than that. So I'm going to try another prompt. Import, oops, import bookmarks. Oops. Because I want him to not just tell me where it is. I want it to show me where it is. Here, when you ask straight things, it's better. So here I can see that I import data from Google Chrome, and I just have to click import. Import bookmarks, not only bookmarks, password, history, and other browser data from Google Chrome. Isn't that amazing? So let me try a last thing. I didn't try it, but I would like to know what Edge can, Copilot can do in Edge. What co what other things can Copilot do in Edge? I'm curious. I would like to have a list of the capabilities of, okay, summarizing web document, PDF files, video image. I know that already. And customize your browser settings. That's what I would like to do. What examples of browser settings can Copilot do? And I'll stop here, but because I don't know exactly if it's gonna, sorry, I can access to. Okay, it doesn't list all the capabilities, so I guess you need to figure out what features are available, but apparently if you know well the browser settings, you can ask specific questions. But I thought, this is a huge benefit if you're not willing to go full in Edge because you have all your bookmarks, passwords, history, and other data that are in Google Chrome. Now you can. Obviously, if you knew Edge very well, you could have found this feature. But if you don't, just ask Copilot and we'll show you where to do it, and then you just have to click import. Hope this was insightful.